Okay, so we have 5 minutes for lunch, so we're going to do another brain builder. And today's brain builder is called Switch It Up. It's a really fun game, and this time you and your partner get to have another pair of partners to work with. So I want to show you how it works. That's the best way to explain it. So Zoe and Shiloh, you guys are partners, so stand up. And Jaden and William, you guys are partners, so stand up and face each other so that the partners are this way. Okay? So here is how the game works. I'm going to say something such as, you are playing goalie for the soccer team. And I'm going, who's the oranges? You're the oranges? So I'm going to ask you how you feel. So, oranges, you're playing goalie for the soccer team. How do you feel?
Excited.
Excited? And how do you feel?
Confident.
Confident and excited. Those are different feelings, so you're going to stay right where you are. Okay? Now, I'm going to ask the bananas. How do you feel about playing goalie for the soccer team?
Excited.
Excited?
Excited.
Excited. That's the same answer. So you guys are going to switch. Okay? So it changes up the game a little bit. Okay? And that's how the game works. So now I'm going to tell the other groups who they're partners with. You guys are going to stay in this group. Okay? So Jonathan and Zane, you're going to be working with Baradu and Rayshawn. Is that right? That you guys are partners? Okay, go ahead. And you guys are already standing up. And then we have these four kids here. And we have these 4 kids here. And then you guys are a group of 3, so I'll probably play with you. So you can be on my team. We'll be, who's oranges? Oh yeah, the oranges, then we'll be bananas. Okay, are we ready? Did you hear the bell? Please look at me. We're going to start the game now. Are you ready? We'll do the same one as a good practice. You're playing goalie for the soccer team. Oranges, how do you feel?
Happy. Excited.
Okay, those are different feelings, so you stay the same. Okay, I see some people switched, some people didn't, and that's okay. Bananas, how do you feel about being goalie for the soccer team?
I feel good.
Nervous. So I guess we stay where we are as well. Okay, either switch or stay. We are going to do the next one. Oranges, how do you feel? You are baking cookies.
Ooh. Good.
Switch. That's the same feeling. Oh, yeah, over there. Bananas, how do you feel about baking cookies?
Yum, yummy.
Hungry. Yum, hungry. Is the same or different?
It's kind of the same.
Same? Okay, switch. Okay, ding, ding, ding. We are going to do a new one. Oranges, how do you feel? You're watching ice skating.
Ooh.
Okay, excited, switch.
I feel good.
Bananas, how do you feel about watching ice skating?
Well, you got no switch. You said excited. You said boring.
I mean, I could depend, but
So
I'm going to say overall bored.
Same thing.
Hey.
Okay, yeah, I agree. But what's your answer?
I'm
I said
supposed to
bored,
know.
what's yours?
Oh, yeah.
Even this
Bored,
too.
okay. It's hard to switch sometimes.